Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Plug your iPhone or iPad into the computer with a known good USB cable and open iTunes. You need the device unlocked so you can tap Trust. This authorizes the computer to access files. Once iTunes recognizes the device, select its icon in the top bar to see Summary. Make sure you have enough storage and the latest iTunes to avoid compatibility issues. At this stage, choose whether to sync via USB now or enable Wi-Fi syncing for future wireless transfers. In iTunes, open the file sharing section for your device to access app-specific documents. This is the fastest way to move PDFs, project files, or app data. Click an app, then drag files into its documents list or use Add File to browse. For media like music and photos, switch to the Music or Photos tabs and choose Sync Folders or Playlists. Then click Apply or Sync. This keeps files organized in the correct app location and avoids manual browsing on the device. After selecting what to transfer, click Sync or Apply and watch the progress bar. Do not disconnect mid-transfer. Once iTunes reports completion, verify files open on your device, open a PDF, play a song, or check the app document. If something went wrong, first restart both the computer and the device, then try a different USB port or cable. Make sure device storage isn't full and that iTunes is updated. These simple checks resolve most transfer failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.